previous tutorial we demonstrated how to place individual walls. In this next tutorial we will now place an internal wall using the placement method wall midway. This allows you to draw in a wall halfway between 2 points. First, left click the wall icon in the left vertical bar. This will display a number of different folders for walls and beams in the catalogue panel on the right hand side of screen. Double click the walls folder. Now, depending on what version of software you're running, the predefined wall types in this video might be different to yours. However, the input method will be the same. Left click an internal wall type followed by the input method wall midway. Now follow the next 4 steps. Step 1. Locate the bottom left hand corner of room 1 and snap to corner point as shown on screen, and left click to set the first reference point. By default it should snap to the corner point, but if not, you'll need to turn on the relevant snapping through the options menu. Step 2. Now drag the mouse out to the opposite side of wall, snap to corner point and left click to set the second reference point. You'll notice a temporary guideline will place centrally between the 2 reference points. Step 3. Now move the mouse cursor up and down. You'll notice that wherever you position your cursor, a green cross will attach itself to the guide in line with the cursor. This indicates where the starting point of wall will be. In this exercise, move the mouse cursor so that the green cross snaps to the inside edge of wall at the bottom and left click to set the starting point of wall, as shown on screen. Step 4 is similar to step 3, but here you will now set the end point of wall. Before placing wall in position, use the key combination Ctrl and W to toggle between the wall edges and wall axis. This lets you define which wall edge to place in relation to the reference point, for example the inside edge of wall, center line of wall or outside edge of wall. Try pressing this key combination a few times to see the effect on the screen. Use Ctrl and W to follow the center line of wall and draw the wall length by moving the mouse upwards until you snap to the inside edge of horizontal wall at the top, as shown on screen. Left click the mouse button to position the end point of wall. You'll notice that when the end point of wall connects to the inside edge of wall, a third room is now created and automatically labelled room 3. This is an important part of the check-in process when drawing walls. The room label confirms that all your walls connect with no gaps or spaces to form a fully contained room.